Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI. I was in search for a new desk calendar that was going to keep me organized but not take up a ton of space, and I found it with this 18-month calendar from Tersus. I love the plants on it. It's very pleasant to look at, and it also has a lot going on in a small space. Most importantly, it has those corner protectors so that your desk calendar isn't going to curl up on the edges. It lists the month before and the month after on each page, which helps me stay organized. It runs from July 2024 to December 2025. It even has holes if you want to hang it, and the back on it is very firm, so the cardboard will protect your desk if you want to place it on your desk. It's 17 inches by 12 inches. As you can see, it's about the size of my keyboard, so it does not take up a lot of space, but there is a lot of room for notes, for writing, and for planning. So I'm really happy with this calendar. I need all the help I can get when it comes to planning, and so my desk calendar is really important to me. This has a lot to offer in a small package, and I really love the design of the plants. Something about it just makes it more soothing, and I think it goes really well on my desk, and that is my point of view.